Good morning, students. Today we are going to do Standard 5 Computer Lesson 2 Types of Software. So, in this chapter, you will learn about software and its types, that is, system software, application software, difference between system software and application software, and various operating systems. So, now let's move to the chapter. So, first of all, what is a software? You all know that computer is made up of two parts, hardware and software. So a hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instruction, and that instruction is given by the software. So here software are like the commanding officers of an army. Okay, so software are the commanding officers and the entire computer system is working as an army. So the commanding officer, it gives command and the computer functions. So hardware, they need software for its function. A computer will be useless without software. So software refers to a set of programs that are needed to run a computer system effectively. So see, software is a collection of programs and it is needed for the proper functioning of a computer. And you all know what is a program? Program is a set of instructions that performs a particular task. Okay, it is the driving force behind the working of a computer. So next we have the different types of software. Softwares are of two types: application software, system software. So first we will study about system software. So what is system software? So system software, it consists of programs that are designed to control the internal functioning of a computer. Okay, so here the system software program, they controls and maintains the operation of a computer and its device. Okay, so it acts as a link between user and hardware of a computer. So it's of two types, operating system and utility programs. So here we are going to study about the functions of system software. So first of all, it supports the development and execution of other application softwares. Okay, so how does it does this? So first of all, it does the monitor the effective use of various hardwares. So you know what a hardware is? The physical part attached to the computer like CPU, monitor, keyboard. So this system software, it monitors the users of all the hardwares. Then it communicates with and controls the operation of peripheral devices like printer, disk and tapes. So it makes the computer work efficiently and effectively. So here we have some examples of system software like the Windows that is working in our computer are example of system software. So operating systems, diagnostic tools, utilities, device drivers for various computer accessories, all these are examples of system software. So now here you can see the different types of system software. It is operating system, system development software, utility software. We also have here different types of application software, user developed program, application package like Word, Lotus, custom software, etc. So this application software we will learn later on First of all, we will study about the types of system software, that is operating system. So operating system is the most important system software. Okay. So here we will study about operating system. So an operating system is a type of system software that helps to establish communication between computer hardware and other software. It also controls and coordinates overall operation of the computer system. Application programs assist input or output device or execution program instruction through operating system. It provides a user-friendly environment to communicate between user and computer system. When a user wants to carry out any operation, the command is given to the application program, which is then delivered to the operating system. So see, I told you an operating system is the most important system software. Okay, so it contains a special set of programs that controls various hardware devices of a computer. And you all know that hardware is also important. Like as software is the internal part, hardware is the external part. Okay, so here operating system, it controls and coordinates the overall operation of a computer system. Then the various examples are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. All these are examples of operating system. So now we will learn about functions of an operating system. So what are the basic tasks performed by the operating system? This is given here. So I told you, see, operating system manages input and output. It is responsible for managing all other programs. It manages files, documents, and folders. It manages and controls all the hardware peripherals and coordinates them with other programs. It manages the primary memory. The next is it provides security to the computer system. Okay, so what are the functions? First of all, it acts as a resource management. Okay, like all the resource like memory, processor, then various input and output devices are managed by the operating system. So I told you it controls and manages the working of various resources. Then next is storage management. So it controls the way different files and folders are stored in a computer. So memory is allocated to different programs by the operating system. Then it manages the working of processor. So various jobs of processor is managed by operating system. Then it tracks various operations like creating, transferring, copying, sorting, deleting files in an organized manner. Okay, and it has various applications like Paint, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. All this also runs on operating system. The next is security. Operating system keeps the computer secured by assigning means of password. So if we are having password, our file, folder, document, that is, it is safe. So it is prevented from misuse. I hope it's clear, children. Now we will move forward to the types of operating system. So operating systems are basically of two types: single user and multiple user. Single user operating system are designed only for the use of a single user. You can see the name only, single user operating system, single user, used by single person. So in this system, only one terminal is there in which the operating system is installed, and it can be used by only one person. So only one person can use or access it or work on it at a time. like MS-DOS, PC-DOS, OS/2. So all these are examples of single user operating system. Then next we have multi-user operating system. Multi-user. Multi means many, user. So this operating system is designed for multiple users. Means computers are having many terminals and it allows more than two persons to use the computer at a time. So for this we have Unix, Xenix, Windows, OS 400. So all these are examples of multi-user operating system. Then next is multitasking. Means a computer can do multiple tasks at a time. Okay, so without closing one program, a user can switch from one program to another without any loss of data or information. So Windows, which we are working on, it is an example of multitasking operating system. If you are working on a Word document, you can also take the printer of the work done at the same time. So see, working on Word and printing out. Two work, it can be done simultaneously. It is because of the multitasking operating system. I hope till here the chapter is clear, children. We will continue further in the next video. Thank you, children.